Hello art friends, we're going to be drawing the Miami Dolphins logo. So we're gonna start with just a nice easy layout. And getting how this works here. There we go. All right. So we'll start with the dolphin. You guys stay with your pencil. I'm gonna go in marker so you can see what's happening. So we're gonna start with a little line, and then we're gonna give it a little bump, and we're gonna take it kind of down to the middle like that. Then we're gonna have a fin coming out, back in, and we're gonna continue this line around, and then it's gonna come over, back in to the tail, and then it's gonna come back around like that. And then kind of where this comes off here, we're gonna have another fin that comes down, back, and it's gonna come up and meet up with that. Then we're gonna take another line, come up, it's gonna go under this fin, and then it's gonna come up and around this, and then it's gonna curve back down, and before it gets to this, it's gonna have its own little fin. This would be the fin on the other side, and then we're gonna continue that line down under that fin and back around like that. And we're gonna come in here, put a little thing in there, and then we've got the sunshine behind it. So a template would be really good right now, but I'm just gonna do it by hand. Why not? There we go. That's pretty circly. All right, then we're gonna go like this. We're gonna take and do some lines like that. And then we're gonna have a short one, tall one, short one, tall one, short, tall, short. All right, and there we have the Dolphins logo. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.